Hi, Professor. I'll be going through the experiments which I've done for MVC in my project, as I'm not able to share all these experiments in the website as my project is in 5-tier architecture and the MVC experiments cannot be shared. This is experiment 1 on MVC, where I've just tried out basic functionality like viewing employee details and the department details. This is basically my experiment where department controller is the controller which is used to display all the department details, and employee controller displays all the employee details which is present in the department, and the models used is employee class and the department class. Department has ID and name parameters, and the employee class has ID, name, gender, city, and department ID fields. Let's run the application. Department is a user controller name and details is a view name. On click of this, it displays all the department lists which are present. On click of each department, it displays all the employees which are present in the department. On click of each employee, displays the employee details of that employee. So employee controller has all the employee related operations. Index displays all the employee details based on the department ID, and details displays all the employee information based on employee ID. Moving on to the second experiment. This is my second experiment where I've tried ADO.NET entity model. This one. It has two classes, department and employee, same as previous one, but the operation is done using a context class. Let's run this. Here it displays all the employee related details where I can create a new employee, edit the existing employee, delete and view the details of the employee. Here I've used list scaffolding template to display the information. Click of edit goes to the employee edit page where I can actually modify the employee details and save it. The employee details, employee name has been updated here. Same way I can view the employee details using details button. I can delete the employee. Here it's asking for confirmation. On press of delete, the employee details will be deleted. Same way I can create the new employee. This is my second experiment. Moving on to the third experiment. This is the final project which I started in MVC. Later I dropped out because MVC cannot be hosted in college server. So in here I had done user module, registration page, and the user profile view to display user information. So let's start with login module. This is experiment 3 in MVC. This is the login page where user can provide his username and password and log into the application. Upon login, it will display the user information and says welcome. Next is user forgot password page. When the user forgets his password, he can actually request for a new password using his username and the email he used to register. The reset password page, where upon receival of temporary password, he can reset his password using username and the new passwords. And logout page, Upon logout, user will be like redirected to the home page. The experiment 4 is registration page, where user can provide all the information and he can register to use the application. Experiment 5 is user profile, which is used to display user related information like display image, name, phone number, email address, and etc. These are about my MVC experiments. Coming to my project related experiments, this is my project. We'll start with the login module. So this is my first experiment related to project, where if a user has to log into the application, he has to provide the username, password, and then log into the application. My second experiment is related to admin. If a user has logged in as admin, he will be like able to create new site, add pages to the site, add articles to the page or the site which is created. So this is add article page, which is experiment number 2. This is article page, where the admin has to enter the article name, the display image, the page he wants this article to be displayed, and the article short description, the image or text. Publish actually adds the article in the site. Save will not publish this article in the site, but it saves in the database. Later if the admin wants to display this article, he just have to go and publish it. The third experiment is add page. Here the admin can create a page. The required fields are page name, page display image, description, and the image or text. The same rule goes for this also. If the admin wants to publish the page, he can actually publish, or if he just wants to save the data, he can actually save it without publishing. The third experiment is The fourth experiment is add site. Here the admin provides site related details like site name, the display image, the site logo, site description, caption, and alt text, and he publishes it. And these three pages, admin, article landing, dashboard, and site page landing, are related to admin. When he logs in, the sites which are created by him will be displayed in admin dashboard. This is my fifth experiment. So for now, this is the user created by an admin. So on click of this, it goes to another page called admin site page landing, where it displays all the pages which are related to this site. This is my sixth experiment. So these are the pages created for that site by the admin, which has edit and delete options and view articles, which will show us the articles which are related to that page. So experiment number 7 is article landing page. It displays all the articles related to a page. Okay, so this is experiment number 8 to display article related details. So this is the article landing page, which displays article image, the ratings, likes. If a user has logged in, he'll be able to share, tweet, like, and rate this article and comment on this article. These are the comments related to the articles. Experiment 8 is page detail. This is the page landing. This page is visible even if the user has not logged in. So this displays the page related information like page display image, page description, and all the related articles which are in this page. Experiment 9 is site landing page. This is the home page of the site, which displays the menu, display image, the site description, top 5 popular articles in this site, and the top 5 recently added articles in this site. Experiment number 10 is a search page where user can enter any text and search, which will be redirected to search page. So here it will display all the search related information. Experiment number 11 is user dashboard, which displays user related information like the user information and the user liked articles, commented articles, followers, and following people, which are done in a user control. So these are the user commented articles, user liked articles, user following and followers, and the user profile. So this is pretty much about my experiments. I'll be sharing you this link. in a mail. Thank you.